nail friends, welcome back to Easy Nails, where I teach you how to create easy and affordable nails at home. So here we are going to create a really fun fall nail set. We are going to do a neon orange yellow swirl marbled nail, and then we are going to apply some designer nail foils. So if you want to learn how to create gorgeous nails, then keep on watching. So here I am applying my Nail Supply Glamour Cover Pink, and I am applying this all over the nail. And I'm using my Artisan Pro Sculptor brush here, and then I'm using my gliterbells Hema Free monomer, and I am just applying a nice layer of this Cover Pink acrylic all over the nails. And you guys, if you enjoy learning how to create affordable and beautiful nails at home, please subscribe to my channel. I'm constantly teaching you tips, tricks, and hacks, and showing you where to get all the greatest deals to do your nails, all from the comfort of your own home. Alright you guys, so I'm just building up this Nail Supply Glamour Cover Pink on my nails here. And you want to make sure you do a thin layer because you're going to encapsulate your nails later. So try to keep those layers nice and thin here. And again, it doesn't matter how many beads you use, if you use 6 beads, 7 beads, 3 beads, 2 beads, whatever works for you. Okay, you guys, I'm just finishing up the application of the Cover Pink all over the nails here. And if you guys need opacity in certain areas, just pick up small little beads. And then here, this lovely glow-in-the-dark neon pigments. I got these from eBay. It was a great set. I think it was $12, and there are a lot of really fun colors in there. So what I did was I wet my brush with a little bit of monomer. I drained the excess on a paper towel, and then I went into the orange there and the yellow, one right after another. And then you guys can see I placed that on the nail, and I kind of pulled the two colors together, and I made a swirl effect on the nail. And here I'm just picking up a little bit more of the orange and yellow and placing them across the nail how I would like. So basically the neon pigments are sticking into the wet brush. And I forgot to mention here, you guys, I do apply a little bit of clear acrylic, a really small bead just in the area where I want those neon pigments to be. So I just pick up a little bit of clear acrylic, spread that across the side of my nail, and then I am picking up with the wet brush, draining off the excess liquid, going into the pots of orange and yellow neon powders. You basically just dip it in very, very little, and then you guys are going to see it kind of works like watercolors, and you swoosh it across your nail, and you get a really fun watercolor marbled effect with these pigments. And then I showed you guys these lovely nail foils here. I got those from AliExpress. Super good deal. There are tons of colors in that kit. of nail foils, and they're really beautiful and easy to work with. And then to apply those little foil pieces to the nail, I used clear acrylic. You guys can see me putting on some there. And then I went in, used my brush, kind of wet, drained off the excess liquid, same kind of method. And then I used my brush to pick up these little foil pieces. And then you guys can see you can kind of use the tip of your brush to break them apart a little bit more. If there's a bigger piece on your nail already and you can't get it off, just like pat your brush on there and it'll break up the little foil pieces into smaller chunks, if that makes sense. And so I am just doing this around the little swooshed area in the middle, that little yellow and orange watercolored area of the nail. I'm going in again with the clear acrylic, and then you guys can see I'm placing the gold foil right on top of it, and I'm absolutely loving these nails, you guys. They were super fun and really easy to create, and they look super luxurious. So I really love that, you guys. They're really easy, and they look super expensive in the end. So I'm just continuing the same process here, you guys, and you can add as little or as much as you like here. It's really up to you. Again, I put on a little teeny tiny bead, a really small bead, you guys, of clear acrylic to adhere the foil onto the nail. Okay, you guys, so I am moving on to encapsulation. Encapsulation is when you basically are applying clear acrylic over your nail. This step is super important because not only are you applying structure to your nail, you want your nails to be strong and have the majority of the acrylic be in the middle of your nail. You want this because it prevents your nails from breaking. They're going to last you this way. They're going to be strong. You're not going to have any cracking problems at all. So you want to make sure that the majority of your acrylic, you guys, is in the middle of your nail. That's called the apex area. So that is why we are encapsulating. Reason number one. Reason number two is to protect all of the beautiful design we did underneath. If I wouldn't put on clear acrylic here, when I would come to finish file my nails, you guys, you would basically file off everything. So we do not want that. So it's really important always to encapsulate your nails with clear acrylic. And you guys, if you did not already, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of our nail family here. We show you how to create gorgeous, super bougie, lovely acrylic nails, all from the comfort of your home. So I would love it if you press that subscribe button. I upload videos Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. And if you guys would like this video, comment down below. Let me know what you guys would like to see. If you guys have any questions, I would be happy to answer them down below. So I didn't show you guys, but I did encapsulate the pointer finger and the pinky just the same way as I did the middle fingers. So now we are going in with our super fun designer foil. So I'm using my makartt nail transfer gel. I'm painting a medium layer of this, curing it in my lamp for 60 seconds, and then I'm going in with this lovely Gucci gold nail foil. I got this one from AliExpress. It came in a pack of designer foils. And I am pressing this onto the nail, and you guys really want to make sure that you are scratching and pressing, okay? Really press and scratch this into your nail. You want to make sure you get a clean transfer. So you guys can see I'm really pressing it in there, scratching this onto that glue. That foil gel. You really want to make sure you press it in. And then you basically just peel it off to reveal your beautiful transfer. Alright, you guys, top coat time. Going in with aimeili No Wipe top coat. And I'm giving this a nice glossy finish all over the nails. Then we are going to cure in our lamp. And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this lovely fall nail design. I will see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe. See you next time. Bye.